This is the famous Bird Girl fountain of Savannah, Georgia, or famous Bird Girl statue, I should say. They made her into a fountain in 2012, so she's a relatively new item. We do have her here. If you've seen our video on birdgirlfountain.com or southerngraceva.com, our main website, you've seen her set up on a disc-spring fountain system, which is a buried in ground system. For those of you that don't want to bury it in the ground, or if you want to set on a deck or a patio as we have her here, this bowl gives you that opportunity. Now remember, she's 37.5 inches tall. The bowl is 40 inches wide, and really wouldn't want to put her in a bowl narrower than this. I think she needs to be in this size bowl. We've got her set here adjacent to our butterfly garden. We just had a big rain here, so some of the butterflies, they're not out here like they usually are. She's real pretty in the garden. If you want to just set her out in the garden, or like I said, we on the patio, she'd be a great addition. Now I'll show you, she's sitting on a shelf there. If you wanted to set her up higher, you could put her on a pedestal, kind of elevate it some more. Pump goes down underneath there. If you can see underneath there, the pump, you don't see the pump, but it's underneath that shelf. Cord comes out the back through that little notch area right there. This is the same girl that we've had running outside for a couple of years, so if you see a little algae or moss growing over there, that's because she's been outside here for a couple of years. I'm going to be quiet here a second, let you hear the sound of her. Hopefully you picked up the sound. It's got a pleasant sound to it. It's a very tranquil type fountain. She's very elegant. With lights on her at night, she would be beautiful. I wish I could show you that, but it's